Ako kung nakanood na lahat ng Kontrabida Academy, guys. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung Kontrabida Academy, panoorin nyo na. Swear, hindi kayo madidisappoint. Personally ako, I went into watching it just like because ang dami ko nakikitang clips of it and I was like, sige, try nga natin. Hindi ako na-disappoint. If anything, I give that movie a 5 out of 5. Mwah, perfect. Also, although it's a comedy movie, ang daming life lessons, like sobrang profound. Profound! Pero like, for real, also the cast, like star-studded cast, it's amazing. Like everyone was giving. Special mention to Miss Barbie Fortesa. You are so good. Ang galing-galing mo. Swear, napabilib mo ako dito. Ayoko mag-spoil, okay? So, basta, ang ganda niya. At the same time, it also tackles a lot of things that people have been talking about. So, yeah. Basta yun, panoorin niyo. Ayoko mag-spoil. Kontrabida Academy. Watch it.